D5, statics. We're going to do a couple problems here in this chapter with statics. Now, Newton's second law, F equals ma, equal to 0 for statics. Notice that you don't really need to do this. We just put down 0, although technically that 0 is a 0 for each of the components of the force. Because remember, a force in 3 dimensions has an x component. We talked about this in an earlier chapter, a y component and a z component. And we used baby vectors, vectors in the various directions, I hat, j hat, k hat. So when that equals 0, that 0 really is a vector 0, where each of these would be 0. When you have no acceleration, when acceleration is equal to 0, that's your change in velocity with respect to time. And if the derivative is 0, that means what you got here is a constant vector. And we could call that V0, the initial vector. It's not going to change. But if we go to the place where the object is, then it's at rest relative to us. So it's going to the building, touch the building, or look at the bridge. So in other words, the velocity will be 0. So that's the static problem. That sets up the problem for statics. And we'll see in the next 2 sections 2 problems worked out.